Ever had your Zoom call freeze up or struggled to get a signal in the middle of nowhere? Well, Mynaric is building the technology to make those problems a thing of the past. Get ready for lightning fast internet beamed down from space. Beam me down, Scotty. That was so corny. Listen, the reason why I look for companies that can grow 100 times from where I invest is because it forces me to focus, right? If I were expecting a doubling or a tripling or even 10 times my money, I can sort of like fool myself, right? Or I can look at a lot of different options and bet on things that I really don't know. But if I say, can this company grow 100 times from where I am right now? I got to really focus and I got to really make sure that I'm confident in my decision. And that's the magic of looking for what I call these time machines, right? Investments that can grow a lot and buy you a lot of time with your money. So let's get into Mynaric. Mynaric is like the express delivery service for the internet, but built in space. They build laser communication systems that beam data between satellites and even down to Earth. It's way faster and more reliable than traditional radio waves. Mynaric has teamed up with both European and American space agencies and companies. They're working on projects like building laser links for satellites and even testing their tech on the International Space Station. How do they make money? Mynaric generates revenue through the sale and installation of their laser communication systems, along with providing ongoing maintenance and support services. It's like selling like high-tech walkie-talkies or phone services for satellites, and then offering a premium service plan to keep them working perfectly like we all pay for with our cell phone plans. Here's the big trend we're betting on if you're looking at this company. Entrepreneurs and investors in the space industry see a future where space isn't just for astronauts and scientists, but a place where businesses thrive and everyday people can experience the wonders of the cosmos. They envision a future where space tourism is common, right? Imagine taking a weekend trip to orbit the Earth or even visiting a lunar hotel. Companies are already working on making space travel more affordable and accessible, opening up a whole new world of adventure and exploration. Satellites connect the globe. We rely on satellites for everything from GPS to weather forecasts. In the future, even more advanced satellite networks will provide high-speed internet to even the most remote corners of the world, bridging the digital divide. Precious metals and rare earth elements important for our technology could be mined from asteroids, reducing our reliance on Earth's limited resources and opening up new economic opportunities. Establishing colonies on Mars and beyond might seem like science fiction, but many believe it's essential for long-term survival of humanity. Space entrepreneurs are paving the way for this ambitious goal. We went from smoke signals to smartphones. We've always found ways to connect. Now, Mynaric is taking communication to the next level. Mynaric's laser tech is cutting edge, but it's a risky bet. They face stiff competition, their technology is complex and expensive, and the space industry is full of lots of uncertainty because it's very early on. This is reflected in Mynaric's asking price, which at present day of this recording is roughly about $18 million. I said million, not billion. And so in order for it to grow 100 times from where it is right now, it needs to be able to go to 1.8 billion, right? And that's a very low valuation, right? That's not a big hurdle to jump. And this is one of the rare opportunities with space where you can invest early stage, because typically companies that come to the public markets are normally in the billions when they go through the VC route. But you have a few space companies where you're able to buy them at a relative early stage because the industry is so brand new. But it's above my pay grade right now. I'm still like in the kindergarten phase of understanding space. And so I'm digging through it. But I'm very interested, right? When I looked through and saw different companies in space and their valuations and the opportunities that I see, I'm like locked in doing my research and going deep. And so if you want the inside scoop on how I find potential 100x opportunities, join my Inner Circle newsletter. It's packed with my step-by-step research examples. Plus, you pay what you want, no tricks. It's just valuable information to help you feel confident about your money. The link is in the description, or you can go to wealthbuildingmadesimple.us. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more insights. Thanks for hanging out. Be fruitful and go multiply your money.
Philip Washington Jr. is a registered investment advisor. Information presented is for educational purposes only and does not intend to make an offer or solicitation for the sale or purchase of any specific securities, investments, or investment strategies. Investments involve risk and, unless otherwise stated, are not guaranteed. Be sure to first consult with a qualified financial advisor and/or tax professional before implementing any strategy discussed herein. Past performance is not indicative of future performance.